Hello dear viewers, a very warm welcome to our channel. It's very good to have you here. In this video we are going to have a look at the fake coolant leak car theft scam. The fake coolant leak scam is a well-known and cunning social engineering tactic used by thieves to steal vehicles. Its effectiveness lies in its ability to exploit a driver's goodwill and concern for their own car. Let's have a look at how this scam works. Thieves work in teams of 2 or more. They target drivers in parking lots of shopping centers, grocery stores, gas stations, or even at stoplights. They often choose newer models, high-end cars, or easily reliable vehicles. As you are driving or having just parked, an accomplice in another vehicle pulls up alongside you, honks their horn, and frantically points to the side of or rear of your car. They will try to get your attention by rolling down their window and yelling something like, "Hey, you are leaking fluid," or "Your car is smoking, pull over." Concerned, you pull over into a nearby parking spot or to the other side of the road. The Good Samaritan will approach your vehicle and, to prove their point, may even point under your car where a puddle of liquid is already forming. This liquid is actually not your car's. It is often water pre-positioned by an accomplice or poured from a bottle as you get out. While the first thief is engaging you, showing you the leak and offering help, second accomplice sees the opportunity. If you have left your car running or the keys in the ignition, then they will sneak into your driver's seat and drive off. If the car is locked but running, they may use a secondary device to amplify the key fob signal. But the classic version relies on the driver leaving the door unlocked and the engine on. Within seconds, your car is gone. The first thief quickly disengages, apologizes, and drive off in their own vehicle, leaving you confused until the horrifying realization sets in. So, why this scam is so effective? Let's have a look at what makes this scam so effective. Coolant is often a bright colored, it is green, orange, pink liquid, and cars do develop leaks. It is a believable problem. It triggers drivers' natural concern for their expensive property. No one wants to ruin their engine by driving with a coolant leak. Then, the thieves present themselves as helpful citizens, making you lower your guard. The suddenness and urgency of the situation cause panic and clouded judgment, leading to simple mistakes like leaving the car running. So, how can you protect yourself from this kind of scam? Let's have a look at some golden rules. Well, the first thing you should do is never leave a running vehicle unattended. This is the most critical rule. If you need to get out of the car, turn it off, take the key, and lock the doors. Modern cars with keyless ignition are particularly vulnerable if you walk away with the fob but leave the car running. Second thing you can do is acknowledge, but don't stop immediately. If someone is trying to get your attention about your car, give a simple wave or nod to acknowledge them. Don't pull over in an isolated or dark area. Drive to the nearest well-lit, populated location like a gas station, police station, or shopping center parking lot near the entrance. The third thing you can do is stay inside and lock your doors. If you do pull over in a public place, remain inside your locked vehicle while you assess the situation. You can roll down the window slightly to speak to the person. Your safety and the security of your car are more important than being polite. The fourth thing you can do is verify the problem yourself. If you are concerned, tell the person, "Thank you, I will have it checked out." Then drive to a trusted mechanic or safe location where you can inspect the vehicle on your own. Real coolant leak will trigger a temperature warning light on your dashboard. Always trust your gut. If the situation feels off, the person is overly insistent, or you see another person lurking nearby, it is a scam. Drive away immediately. Don't argue or confront the person. And ensure your windows are up and doors are locked. Drive directly to a safe public place and report the incident and describe the people in their vehicle. you may prevent someone else from being a victim. So, the fake coolant leak scam is a reminder that criminals are clever and manipulative. By being aware of this tactic and following the simple rule of never leaving your car unattended, you can completely neutralize this threat and protect your property. Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you regarding some of the things that you need to know regarding the fake coolant leak car theft scam. If you find this video helpful and if you like what has been presented, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, turn on notifications so that you will be the first to get notified whenever we come up with another video. Until then, stay safe.